This guide explains how to file a policy replacing binder in the SMART application. Note that per Texas Administrative Code, you are required to replace a binder as promptly as possible with a formal policy or certificate. From the broker landing page, select Filing and click Data Entry. This opens the Data Entry landing page. To begin, click New Transaction. Select the transaction type. For this example, we will select Renewal, then click Next. Now select the transaction subtype, Policy Replacing a Binder. Input the policy number and effective date of the original binder and click Search. Select the appropriate binder from the search results and click Next. SMART automatically copies key data from the binder, like the insured name and policy number, into the entry screen. Review all data points and update them as necessary. Note that the issue date is not copied and must be entered manually. If original coverage or class codes have become restricted, you must select new appropriate codes. If premium or policy fees have changed from the original binder, these will also need to be updated. Once all information is verified, click Post to submit the filing to SLTX. If errors are detected, a notification will appear. Make the necessary corrections and click Post again. Once the filing is accepted, a Good Job confirmation window appears. You may print a confirmation of the filing by clicking Save as PDF. Continue by filing another type or click Finish Filing to return to the broker landing page. Need more help? Contact the tech support team via email or phone.